What is going on, guys? I took some footage earlier of us messing around with this car, which is a Kraftwerks SuperCharged Civic SI. And essentially what we're doing today is installing a catch can because Jeff, as you guys can see in a few of my videos, likes to roll coal. Well, he doesn't like to roll coal, but it looks like he's rolling coal when he guns it on the highway, for example. There's a few clips I have in a few different vlogs I've done where it's like a cloud of dark smoke. The air that's getting to the intake is not clean enough, so that's kind of really the reason why you would get a catch can. So I'm gonna roll a bunch of that footage. It's been kind of a hell of a day. We've been in and out and getting a bunch of parts, so it was good. If you have an aftermarket car, I would definitely recommend doing a catch can. It seems like, even when I had my 335, a lot of guys were doing it, but here's the car. You know, actually it'd be kind of a cool video if we did like a full like review of this car at some point, because people keep seeing it in my videos and then people ask questions, or they have remarks to make about things they don't know anything about, which happens a lot. That's usually what happens when you show a Civic on a channel that normally has like an M3, but anyways, we are finishing installing. Where is the catch can?
Loose. Alright.
So I'm gonna give a rundown of what that's the catch can, what that's working. Yeah. So there's something called a PCV valve, which is
positive crankcase ventilation.
Positive crankcase ventilation, which is like this size tube, but this isn't it. This is the supercharger, obviously, but it's like under here, and it's goes.
In there.
Well, it's hard to see. Oh, this is it. Wait. This is the. Anyways, so that is right there and wiggling, and then the catch can gets connected to the end of the PCV. And then we're gonna put the catch can kind of like right here. And then this gets connected to the other side of the catch can. And I know this, it's so weird, but they sent you this hose from the, where you bought the catch can. So
Mishimoto, yeah.
Mishimoto uses, I mean, this is actually like extremely durable. Like I can't even barely squeeze this. It's extremely durable, but I wish the fit and finish looked different. I wish it was black or something else, because it really does look like a garden hose. We were messing around pretending that it was a garden hose or something. I don't think you're that worried about it, because the fact that it's like a legit, this is extremely durable, is probably more important. Anyways,
upgrades, bruh.
Yeah, I know. We're not worried about the inside of the hood, even though you do pop it more than I pop mine, because you got special things under here.
Special effects.
Yeah, so here's the supercharger blower.
That should be good.
That's it?
No, not the time limit. I mean the amount.
Why? Because it's on an angle. Yeah, so if you're wondering why we have our mom mug out here, it's because there's warm water. We're going to stretch it a little bit. This tube is a little bit too small for this. So that's our method. I know, whatever. That's not even ghetto. That's just kind of smart, if you ask me. What's wrong? What? What's wrong?
Put an extra one on.
Oh, God. How many do you need? You only need 2.
I only need 1.
You only need 1 on each end. Yeah, all right. What's nice about this is you can warm up the water and stretch this, and then you have something to drink after.
Is Bay home?
Bay's home.
Bay's back.
Squad.
Gang.
Gang is here. CVT gang is here.
Come out of there? Sure does.
Oh, cool. No, pretty neat. You need a real man to do that? Why?
I'll get it.
Oh. Alright, so this is gonna be live. We're doing it live.
Okay. We'll do it live. Okay. Fucking thing. No. We'll do it live. Fuck it. Do it live. Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.
You're a little nervous, dude.
Nervous as hell.
Everything seems to be operational so far. I know it's too early to tell, but...
No, it's not. Actually,
no?
When I put the clutch in and the RPMs drop, they drop like smoother.
No.
It's not like a sudden...
You don't think that's the temperature or something? I mean, we'll have to see.
Wow, it's actually
What?
idling better.
You...
Oh, there's a surge right there. Alright.
What's that noise? It's like... That... It sounds like an engine mount or something.
Shut up.
I'm serious. That in the back.
Oh, it's the exhaust.
Oh, is it wiggling?
Yeah.
It feels different?
It actually feels smoother.
Nuh-uh. So you tuned this car better than the dude did. Hey.
You ever do that?
What?
You ever like pull it out of gear without putting the clutch in?
No.
No?
No. I've never done that in my life. I've never done it once.
You have to do it while your foot's like still, you have to like keep the RPMs very, very like steady and then just slowly pull back on the shifter.
Isn't that hard on the transmission?
No, not if you match your synchros up, right?
I don't know how to do that.
Watch here, let me see your hand. Watch.
That's freaking weird, dude. So I don't have a reason to do that. I would just not do that. Right? So everything's normal, it just feels better?
Yeah, I guess.
What, it doesn't feel better?
I don't know.
What, you're nervous?
Yeah. Plus, like, it's hard to hear, you know, like, I'm also very in tune to the way the car sounds.
Yeah.
The exhaust and the engine and, like, in response to things, it's really hard with all this fucking rain.
Oh.
Broke the tires loose.
Oh, hell yeah, it's raining like a mofo. Alright, so it's good. Alright guys, we're gonna close out the video right here, right now. Civic, according to you, is driving better, but we did change some, I guess, vacuum hoses around. They weren't really put in the right spot and a few other things. So not only did we install a catch can, well, Jeff really mostly installed everything, but I was there to help and break some stuff for him, so, which of course I didn't do. Unlike David, Jeff didn't have anything broken for me, so I broke a exhaust bolt on David's Porsche when I helped. Not funny, I'm sorry, I feel bad about that. But anyways, we're gonna close out the video here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I know there wasn't a ton going on, but I figured I'd take you along for the ride, expose you to some VTEC power, and I will see you guys next time.